At number 1, we have the BLACK+DECKER Ice Cream Maker. Create creamy ice cream, refreshing sorbet, rich gelato, and even healthy frozen yogurt, all with the touch of a button. Personalize every batch. Add your favorite mix-ins like chocolate chips, fresh fruit, or nuts. Just pre-freeze the bowl, add your fresh ingredients, and let the automatic mixing system do the rest. Its compact design fits anywhere, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. The BLACK+DECKER Ice Cream Maker. Delicious, customizable treats made perfect at home year-round.
At number 2, we have the Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender. The Ninja Blast Max is a cordless personal blender built for busy lifestyles, allowing you to prepare smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks virtually anywhere. Featuring a 22-ounce blending cup, it's the ideal serving size while remaining lightweight and easy to transport. Equipped with a powerful rechargeable motor, it efficiently crushes ice and frozen fruits. The leak-resistant travel lid lets you blend and enjoy from the same container. Its cordless design and USB charging make it perfect for offices, gyms, or camping. It's the ultimate choice for fresh beverages throughout the day. Ninja Blast, Max, portability and convenience in every blend.
At number 3, we have the NIMBLEFRESH Portable Vacuum Sealer. Tired of food going bad? Its 50 kPa vacuum suction locks in freshness and flavor, keeping food fresh up to 5 times longer and preventing freezer burn. Perfect for meats, vegetables, meal prep, and even sous vide cooking. But the real game changer? It's so compact and lightweight, it fits anywhere. The rechargeable battery is perfect for camping and picnics, and it's incredibly easy to use. Just one button, and you're done. The NIMBLEFRESH Portable Vacuum Sealer. The affordable portable solution for keeping your food fresher, longer.
At number 4, we have the BREVILLE JOULE Turbo Sous Vide Machine, engineered with a premium space-saving design and a strong magnetic base for ultimate stability. The game-changing turbo mode uses revolutionary technology to dramatically reduce cooking time, while the Precision app lets you monitor and guide your meal from anywhere. The result? Perfectly cooked steak, chicken, seafood, and even desserts from edge to edge. Elevate your cooking. The BREVILLE JOULE Turbo. Sous vides perfected.
At number 5, we have the Ninja SP151 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. It's not just an air fryer. It's an 8-in-1 powerhouse for all your cooking needs. Air fry, roast, broil, bake, pizza, toast, bagel, and dehydrate. Its 1800-watt oven crisp technology delivers faster, even cooking for that perfect crispy texture with up to 75% less fat. And with a family-size capacity, you can fit a 13-inch pizza or 6 chicken breasts, feeding everyone with ease. But here's the game changer, the unique flip-away design. Reclaim your entire countertop when you're done cooking. The Ninja SP151, the only appliance you'll ever need on your countertop.
At number 6, we have the ZOJIRUSHI stainless steel mug, a premium insulated travel bottle designed for your busy life, whether you're a commuter, student, or traveler. Built with advanced vacuum insulation, it keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours. Its slim, lightweight profile fits perfectly in any bag. Check out this secure flip-open lid with a safety lock to prevent any accidental spills. Plus, the smooth interior resists stains and odors. Durable, leak-resistant, and highly portable. The ZOJIRUSHI stainless steel mug is truly one of the best for daily use.
At number 7, we have the 4-slice dual touchscreen toaster. Powered by 1800 watts, it features 2 independent touchscreen panels, allowing you to toast 2 separate pairs of bread simultaneously. Customize browning levels for bagels, waffles, or thick artisan bread. Perfect for families where everyone wants their toast just right. From single slice efficiency to quick defrosting, it simplifies your busy mornings. Sleek, fast, and easy to clean. The modern solution for your everyday breakfast.
At number 8, we have the Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. This advanced cooking accessory eliminates the guesswork. with an ultra-thin design for minimal impact on your food. Its dual sensor probes measure both internal meat temperature and the ambient grill or oven heat for near perfect accuracy. Track your cook in real time from anywhere using the Chef IQ app. No more being tied to the grill. Built to handle the heat up to 1000 DZXF and completely waterproof, it's ready for any cooking challenge. From the grill to the smoker, the oven to the air fryer, achieve perfection with any meat, any method. The Chef IQ Sense, outstanding convenience and precision for perfect results every time.
At number 9, we have the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fry Oven FO101. Its elegant French door design opens with just one hand, making it incredibly convenient to use. With a 20-quart capacity, its air fry basket is 2.5 times larger, perfect for feeding a crowd. Powerful convection airflow delivers even heating and crispy results with no rotation required. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, and more. It does it all, from crispy wings to perfectly baked cookies. And cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe accessories. The Ninja French Door Premier Air Fry Oven, the ultimate all-in-one countertop cooking solution.
At number 10, we have the Precision Pro 95 kPa Vacuum Sealer. Its powerful dual pump system delivers an incredible 95 kPa of pressure for the ultimate airtight seal. With 10 dedicated functions, it handles everything from dry goods and delicate foods to moist marinated meats and sous vide cooking. The innovative, user-friendly design features one-handed operation, a built-in bag cutter, and convenient bag storage. Plus, the exclusive Smart app helps you track food freshness in real time. It's preservation reimagined. The Precision Pro 95 kPa. Keep food fresher, longer. Get yours now.
At number 11, we have the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline. Tired of unsafe slices? Its fully enclosed design means your fingers never get close to the blades. And it's not just safe, it's incredibly versatile. Get perfect thin slices, thick cuts, julienne, and more. Switch styles in a snap with the precision dial. No need to change messy blades. Make fresh food prep a fun family activity. It's easier and safer for everyone to enjoy. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, and it collapses to fit perfectly in any drawer. Upgrade your kitchen with the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline. Get yours today.
At number 12, we have the CHEFMAN Everything Maker and Pizza Oven. This multifunction countertop appliance simplifies everyday meal preparation by combining several cooking capabilities into one compact unit. Powered by 1440 watts, it heats quickly and evenly, ideal for pizzas, omelets, quesadillas, pancakes, and more. Its spacious 12-inch nonstick plates accommodate personal pizzas while preventing sticking. The adjustable temperature controls and floating hinge ensure even contact with foods of varying thicknesses. Cleanup is fast and effortless, and the upright storage design is perfect for smaller kitchens. For busy households seeking versatility and value, the CHEFMAN Everything Maker delivers.
Tired of cluttered cabinets? Meet the CAROTE 19-piece ceramic cookware set, a thoughtfully designed collection that combines versatility and compact storage. Its most distinctive feature is the detachable handle system, allowing cookware to stack neatly, perfect for apartments and kitchens with limited space. Compatible with most stovetops, including induction, the cookware distributes heat evenly for consistent cooking performance. The ceramic nonstick coating provides smooth food release, while requiring less oil, making it suitable for preparing healthier meals and simplifying cleanup. Plus, you can cook with confidence knowing it's designed without PFAS. Once detached, the pots and pans can go from the stovetop to the oven, reducing the number of dishes needed. The CAROTE cookware set offers an excellent balance of functionality and versatility, making it a practical choice for everyday home cooks.
At number 15, we have the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Next Espresso machine. Unlock cafe-quality beverages with minimal effort, starting from freshly ground beans every time. Personalize your perfect cup. Easily adjust the strength and size for up to 3 different user profiles. The advanced latte crema system creates rich barista-quality foam for any milk-based drink. From hot coffees to iced beverages and even espresso martinis, explore a world of variety and versatility. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Next. Your perfect cup in one touch.